Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the pet care find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Save 50% space. Double-tier shoe rack design instantly saves 50% storage space and helps you find the right shoes. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Upgraded quality. Our shoe slot organizer is made of sturdy PET. The shoe sole has a stronger grip. Flatter base. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Height adjustable. The shoe slot has 3 height adjustable, you can adjust it from 3.7 foot, 5.8 to 7.7. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the pet care find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.